What's up, everybody? Welcome to another trade recap. God bless you guys. Today is April 22nd, 2026. Today, I only took a trade on Evals, kind of just putting on hold my Top Step Life account. Well, number one, there was an email out that I can't even trade on my life account right now, just all life accounts in general. But in general, I'm just waiting for a good setup on there and just getting used to this whole transitioning of my growth so far, and it's truly been a blessing. But today, I'll just go ahead and show how I made $3,600 across five new evals with Tradify. So let's get right into it. So starting the day off, always starting the hourly time frame, marking up my highs and lows, session highs and lows. We are in all-time highs, so honestly, all-time highs, you just expect to continue going higher. But just from looking at this range, I did call it out on my Discord where, I'm kind of expecting accumulation. If anything, maybe a possible shorts to begin the day with, uh, and then continue to go long. So that's really what I was looking for. But ultimately, whenever we're in all-time highs, we're gonna continue higher. Why I thought we were gonna go short or expecting shorts in the beginning, really because of an almost close SMT right here that we could set. So I was waiting for either London High to be taken out, SMT right there, continue lower, retrace into, OTE, then continue higher, or it just depended. But yeah, as a discretionary trader, that's kind of how I trade. Um, right now I'm sharing all my analysis and signals through the Discord because of free access to my premium, which right now it's free. As soon as I'm done with the whole course and the whole premium thing, it'll be a paid service. So take advantage, join my Discord. The description will be actually the link will be in the description below. Getting used to all of this stuff. But anywho, let's just keep the camera rolling. But yeah, expecting accumulation here. Um, see if we can skip ahead to market open. Just one more right here. All right. So yeah, here I'm waiting for market open, just looking, really not taking anything yet. Here we're pretty much edged London highs. We started dumping lower. And I think around here, because of this volume dump that we were getting, also we did have a SMT here that I looked at right here. Um, I was kind of expecting to go shorter from here, so I did enter a short here initially, kind of just expecting for this PD array to hold. I think that was the one in the set 2 minute, yeah, and 3 minute for sure to hold because in the next set of candles, I think those candle, this kind of like fooled me, you can say. We had really good volume down there, but then in the last 10-ish seconds, we kind of just closed higher. I still tried the trade. I entered with like one mini or something, aiming for London lows. Stop loss was about 25 points or something. Um, but we never really got it. Yeah, and then I got stopped out, lost about $300 or so. I think it was more higher. I don't really remember, but basically failed that trade at first. I'm like, okay, I'm still open for shorts, or maybe we'll kind of continue going higher. I mean, right now ES looks like it is pumping compared to NQ, where ES wants to take London high. So here I'm just checking really. Again, I'm still open for shorts, only for market open, um, to just go lower. So right here we did tap 0.79 optimal trade entry right here. Now we created this new SMT right here. And I'm not sure if we did tap a PD array. I mean, we're inside of a 5 minute. Um, yeah, and didn't really tap a PD array, but from here, it was around 865. I do share in the Discord how I entered with four minis or so, um, around here, and then I ended up scaling in at like 855 ish, or I scaled in two more contracts where my final position was at 855 right here. Um, because we just got instant good reaction. I was paying attention to the 30 second. I don't have access here on Trading View 30 second, but I was looking through my Top Step Life account, um, the trade play out, and yeah, from there we just hit TP. and it was a nice, easy trade. I was 6 minis in, so about 35 points with 6 minis around this position. That's about 3,600 to $4,000. I made back my loss plus the extra 3,600 that I needed for the day. I did the day at 3,600. Just trying to pass these accounts as quickly as possible. Um, but yeah, it was just a simple trade. Again, nothing too crazy, nothing simple analysis really. Just paying attention if we were respecting. I just expected accumulation really because if we look back at the hourly time frame, it does look nasty here. So I'm like expecting that for to continue at least for a market open. But then from there, we just started actually going higher. So from here on, just really looking for continuation models. Like we can call out a few. Let's see. Now that we're just here, that way we can keep this video a little bit more longer. Um, we don't take this out. Let's see if we tap into a PD rate like the higher time frame, 5 minute. We're clearly respecting this 5 minute. I guess you could say we tap into like a rejection block or order block here, inverse fair value gap here. This probably does look good. And usually you just want to catch pieces of the pie. You don't really want to, actually, never mind. We ended up going lower. Fine, that's okay. This right here could be a re-entry. And then it should go higher. There you go. So really from here, just continuation models. Let's say we can find another one. We're just accumulating here. So I'll just wait for all this accumulation to die off. Okay, we finally broke through. Looking at this PD array here now. See if we close higher. There you go. Oh, actually, I skipped ahead of one more candle. But there you go right here. Really just another one-to-one. Again, because on all-time highs, there's like really no draws of liquidity higher. So, and that right there is another possible continuation right here. We got edge, probably break even. You don't want to deal with that also called price action, but whenever it's all-time highs, just small little pieces of cake, just a piece of the pie, nothing crazy, just one-on-ones. But this was really the trade that I took right here. Again, called it all out on pre-market, live trading, live commentary, live signal. Um, but yeah, just a simple trade. And yeah.